Welcome, wonderful traders. Dadas here, speaking to you from the Dadas trading room on Discord. So today it's time to make the next daily recap. We've had a time shift, and I'm a little bit time lagging. I mean, my organism is feeling that it's an hour earlier. And I'm looking at the clock and wondering what the fuck is going on. Anyway, what happened today? Well, today I came. First of all, let's talk about the market, about the DAX 30 market, or DAX 30 market, like you say. What happened? It opened up after the weekend with a gap, and then it started going up, rallying up. All the way towards the Frankfurt opening hour, and between the Frankfurt opening hour and the London session, all the way down here, it was going down, right? And this line here, this yellow line, I called it start work. It's the time where I usually am already up and looking at my computer a little bit later, but today I was at my computer around this time already. Then I saw this price action. I didn't do this. I wasn't on this chart. I was on this chart. Anyway, it's the same chart, but a different ruler here, the Dadas trade ruler. I clicked like this, right? And I figured out, okay, this is a good opportunity to go long. So I did, right? I went in manually at a minimum lot because I said, okay, that's still the morning hour. I'm not so fresh. Well, let's see. Well, and I got a very good trade. The market started going up, and then made a quick retrace and started going up again. When this candle was already nice and green, I trailed my stop over there, and then I just thought, well, it's a nice number, 75 pips. Yeah, I like it. Let's close it. So I closed it. And that's it, right? That's it. So, yeah, you could say, was it worth to hold it longer? Maybe it was, maybe it wasn't. I don't know. I mean, yeah, looking from the perspective of now of the past, it was absolutely worth it to hold it all the way up to the take profit level. That would have been 200 pips. But right there we had a resistance level, and the market was showing this resistance level, right? So even right here, I was trying to get in for another long because I was hoping for a continuation from these two up there. But unfortunately, the market, instead of going up, started going down, and then it bounced back up and again started going down. So the situation was pretty uncertain. So and the volatility of today's market was pretty much lower. Also, the daily range was right now it's already 524 pips. So it's like a more like closer to the to a typical one in the recent weeks, right? But nevertheless, it was slower than the previous weeks. Also, even the spread was a little bit better. At times, it was even 2.5 pips. Anyways, right here, the market was moving very slowly. So I figured out, well, since it's giving me profit, I gotta get out. I'm not gonna wait until it takes my stop loss out because my stop loss was already endangered earlier. So yeah, Oh, it wasn't exactly at this point. I trailed it up later, but yeah. Anyway, so that's the situation, and you see that they came back right after retesting that resistance level. They came back to this support level, and then they bounced off again. I wasn't trading then, but here, following the New York and Chicago opening session, right? Time. I was first looking at these red candles, and I thought, well, there's pretty much a possibility that they will be going down. So first I measured it like this, but then I hesitated for a moment, and I started watching, because I thought, well, on the general, the trend right here is pretty much stronger upwards than downwards. And so I thought to myself, something is not very right here. And I looked at the I saw this situation, right, and I looked at the Renko bars, and I went in for an opportunity right there, and that was a standard trade DTR trade from my expert advisor. Trailed at 9.9 pips, and trailed out at 9.7 pips. A very standard trade for me. Now, yeah, that was okay, but what happened there was not much. Okay, I mean, let's zoom in so that we can see that better. Maybe we can see that better. You see, well, basically I entered because I thought that perhaps they would be going up like this, right? So, yeah. You see that the market actually didn't give me much opportunity here. It went back down, went back up. Well, I could have gotten out right there manually, but I failed. I was actually hoping pretty strongly for the market to go up, but it didn't want to go up. And then you see right here, if you look closely, the bearish trend was building up. I was building up and building up. So after the next here defense of the resistance levels, I decided to get out manually, and I decided to turn around, right? At you see right here, I was 0.5 pips right here, and I turned around in my standard 1.5 pips, and I recovered the loss with a little bit of profit. And basically, I was hoping for my take profit right there. I mean, generally. But you see the market didn't reach that take profit, and then rapidly started moving backwards up. Well, I wasn't trading, but as you see, from this perspective, the market ended up already up there. So from my entry level of that long, there would have been like 63 pips, right? So again, but the point is, I can't risk that much, right? I can't risk that much, and since the market is going back down and retesting some level, I really don't know what's going to happen till the end of the day. Maybe it's going to go down, right? And go down even further. Oh, basically, another thing about this whole situation is that I shouldn't even be trading there, because, or maybe I don't know. Well, there's supposed to be another line right here between the close of the closing of the Frankfurt session till the closing of the American session, but somehow I'm missing that line. I mean, it should be right on this point right now. Yeah. Okay, maybe I need to put it a bit earlier, like 5 minutes earlier, because of this, of the fact that actually the close of the American session coincides with the break on this market right here. Okay. Anyways, so I need to do this. I need to find this line. That's not the one. Should be the next one. Yeah, that's the one. So I need to, let's say, not like this. 22.55, like this. Or maybe let's go like 22.30. Okay. So now I'm a bit earlier. So like half an hour earlier. So then I'm not interested in this little part here. Or I could take it a little bit further. Let's make it 45 since I'm on the 5-minute chart anyway. Okay. This will be all right. Good. So yeah. So basically, I think I need to change my thinking right here, and well, basically maybe not, because yeah, I mean this trade was a stupid trade. It was like a greed trade. So yeah, a feeling of greed, more, because I made some profit here, more. No, absolutely stupid. Anyways, that's what happened today. Also, I was working a little bit on this here, a little bit a different concept of my data trading system. In other words, a concept that would use all the other elements of the data trading system, except for the Renko charts. And right here it is using the DSWS, right, together with the expert advisor, that is DSWS 2020, that is cooperating with the DSWS on click indicator with LotCalc. And also I've created another template here, a template that would use the DTR, right? So the data trade ruler, in cooperation with another expert of mine that is called Data Trade Ruler Manager. Now this one enables us to take trades also without Renko charts. So I've also added other elements of the data trading system right there, and the data trade ruler right there, that is using right now this data trade ruler manager to make simple market sell, market buy trades by the calculation of the data trade ruler, of course. So this enables us to go down even as low as the M1, and as you can see here, in this situation, we could have been going long, like perhaps after the price was bouncing off right here, we could have gotten long in here, and that was a potential trade for about 13 pips, which is here the euro dollar. and like I said, the 1 minute chart. Okay, that's what I've been working on today. Also discussing on some forums and so on, as I usually do. So yeah, you are invited to my Discord server. Please join my Discord server. It's called Dada's Trading Room. The invitation is down there in the descriptions. You just need to click on it, and it'll take you where necessary. If you still don't know what Discord is, you will find out there. Okay. Anyways, I have a lot of interesting things going on. I've even recorded over 3 hour film yesterday. It's already been published, so you can even find it. It's a public film. You can find it here on this YouTube channel right now. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please ring the bell so that you'll be notified, and please like the video by pressing on the thumbs up button. If you don't like my videos, just be sure to click on the thumbs down button twice, or icon. Right? Remember, twice. Now, but if you do like my videos, just one solid like will be enough. And of course, yeah, share the video with somebody you like. And also, like I say, join my Discord server. And also, I sincerely invite you to become my patron on patreon.com/Dada's Trading System Workshop. Also, the link is below in the descriptions. Now, what benefits do you get by becoming my patron at $17 per month? You get a lot of benefits. First of all, you get access to my special channels on Discord. There you will find more extra videos that are only available to my VIPs. You can also get free indicators, free expert advisors. You can even get my systems by accumulating enough money over your subscriptions, right? If you accumulate enough money for 3 hours of my Dada's Trading System Workshop, you can get one of these chosen systems. Either this one with the Dada's Trade Ruler and this Dada's Trade Ruler Manager, or this other one right here. That is using the Dada's DSWS on-click indicator with LotCalc and the DSWS 2020 Expert Advisor. Of course, if you accumulate more, if you're interested in the basic system, so the basic system is right here, and the basic system, as you see, also consists of the Dada's Trade Ruler, right? However, this system cooperates with Renko charts, and those Renko charts then are cooperating with the expert advisor that is called DTR MMR Trader Expert Advisor. It's a much more complex and much more expert advisor that allows for more different things than those two simple ones from the other system. Yeah, so that's it for today. I hope you liked it. I hope you're keeping well, and yeah, just remember, don't let the corona get you. Yeah, wash your hands, and also tell all your close ones to be careful as well. Okay, thanks a lot for this time. See you next time. Bye.